waterfront don't go together, I've got something to show you today that is going to definitely challenge that thought. I am inside of one of my favorite communities in Pasco County, Mirada, specifically in one of the only gated enclaves of Mirada, Isla Mirada. I'm inside of a beautiful townhome, one of several floor plans by DRB, bringing you Lagoon front living. That's right, Lagoon front. Now, unlike traditional waterfront living that often comes with some nuances that you may be looking to leave behind if you're looking in the suburbs, one of those nuances being flood insurance, you won't have to worry about that here. So you really get the best of both worlds. The economic savings of living away from the water, but having it right in your backyard. And if you think you're going to compromise having your toes in the sand, think again. This 15-acre lagoon makes you think that you're in one of the most pristine beaches in the Caribbean. Sorry, I just mentally went there for a second. We're going to take a tour of this beautiful townhome, but before I do, I am Jen Snells, your Florida realtor and mortgage loan originator. I spend lots of time showing you homes, both model and quick move-ins that are bare bones on this channel, and my goal is to help you approach purchasing new construction or any home the right way. If that's something you've been thinking about or want to chat further, definitely feel free to reach out to me. My information will be throughout the video and also in the description box. Now, enough of that, let's take a look at this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome in Mirada. This townhome truly is luxury waterfront living personified. You may not believe it, but just a couple of years ago, these same floor plans, yes, just the same one that I showed you, you needed at least $550,000 to get the conversation started. That's a testament not only to how quickly a market can shift, but how the shift of power can go from the seller to the buyer. Right now, if you're a buyer watching this, you have all of the leverage. This builder, like many, is offering incentives for you to purchase their properties. If you'd like more information on the specifics of that, definitely reach out to me. Until next video, I look forward to helping you achieve financial empowerment through property ownership. If you're looking to buy, sell, or lease a property in the state of Florida, I'm happy to help you achieve those goals. Until next time.